Welcome back, Mid Motorsports. Today we're going to be working on Project Lockjaw, our 98 Jeep Cherokee we bought from Copart about a week ago. We're going to address some issues on it. We didn't realize the radiator had a pinhole leak, so we're going to change that out today. I just drained the rest of the coolant out of it, going to get pulled apart, waiting for Josh to get here. He ordered a new performance radiator that's directly from China, so quality probably not going to be great, but we're going to try to get it crammed in there. We're also going to delete the clutch fan, the electric fan on here. The one he's got, it's got 3 electric fans, so we'll get rid of those. We're going to go look at a parts Jeep to hopefully take a front fender, the front fascia, grill, headlights, to get it back looking kind of decent. And then on Marketplace yesterday I found a good deal on a couple nice upgrades that we wanted to do, so might as well get them at a better deal. So hopefully go grab those later today and probably put those on tomorrow hopefully. But for today's project we're also gonna detail the interior. Yeah, sounds like a dumb idea because it's a trail rig, but it's pretty disgusting, and we honestly want to keep the trail rig kind of nice for as long as we can, or we'll destroy it in one weekend. I'm not really sure, but we're gonna make it look the best that it can and hopefully perform the best that it can. So I'm gonna get after pulling the old radiator out, maybe ding back some of the metal that smashed over here, and get back to it when Josh gets here.
Phase 2?
XJ build.
XJ build, phase 2. So we ordered some parts from Harry's. We had them overnighted from Japan. We got a nice Chinese aluminum radiator, because ours was just clapped. Yeah, pick it up, show it.
Oh yeah.
Look at that beautiful piece. Nice. Triple.
Throw some polish on there.
Yeah. Triple fans, electric fans. So we'll probably gain about what, 2, 3, 4 horsepower?
I mean, taking that fan off too, I think so.
So yeah, we got that going. We got some other mods. We got decal kit, certified ship box.
Outstanding.
And then we got, I think probably one of the most fun mods we're gonna do.
This is the best part.
We got the old Dixie horns. We got them in the carbon fiber. So yeah, we're gonna mount those probably under the hood, eh?
Yeah, that way we're running from Enos. Jump the creek.
Yeah, it came with a button. Oh, that's another thing I wanted to wire it into the horn.
I was gonna say that. We'll just take the power wires off that. Yeah, so when you hit the actual horn.
Yeah, that'd be way more fun to go.
Takes the hazard going.
Yeah, we're just gonna... Look at that.
Well, it's in.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
She didn't feel nothing, but it's in there, buddy. Alright, we got the aluminum radiator in. We got her wired up. We got a nice switch here next to the ignition.
Yeah, you want me to hold it to the terminal real quick?
Yeah, let's show the people. Let's try it. Ready? Can you see all that air moving? Alright, then you come in here, you're done driving for the day. Boom. I like it.
Not bad.
Had to do some custom mods though.
Yeah, fitment wasn't great. On a nice Jeep, probably wouldn't recommend it.
Yeah, we had to notch out the core support.
Had to drill a new hole back here.
Had to drill a new hole.
Radiator locating deal.
We had to cut the bolts off the stock fan.
Yeah.
Because the studs were too long, they were hitting the fan.
Yeah.
You can see them right down there. Yep.
Close. Tight as tight.
We got them, got it cleaned out. Now we've got to go get some more parts.
Yep. Road trip.
Yeah, check out this detail job. We had a professional come in to do this. Only charged just about, what was it, $2,000 to do all this? $17.50. Look at how nice and clean that is. Yeah, clean enough to get it all dirty. At least it's our filth, you know?
Yeah, it's a good plan. That's pretty disgusting. There was grease, black grease in the headrest. And
Yeah, I don't want nobody else's head grease on the back of my head.
hard pass for me, dog. Well, we didn't die.
We didn't die. However, we got some sweet parts. Where'd we go? What is it technically? That was Taylor?
Yeah, we went to Brighton first, that was nice, and then we went to Taylor, which wasn't great.
Yeah, met a couple cool kids, Mason and Zechariah.
Yep.
Got a rough country 4.5-inch lift.
Brand new box.
Brand new, never. I got a set of 35-inch tires on some fuel wheels. -43 offset.
Stands now.
Yeah, we're excited. Ended up working out pretty good. Got a good deal on both of them, so
Not bad.
we should be ready for Mud Jam, right?
I think so. It's gonna be wild.
It's gonna be a time crunch.
Yeah. I got 2 days.
Alright, we finally made it home. What do we have, about 3 hours of driving?
Yeah, total about 3-hour round trip.
We had to do it at a gas station, sold us a lift kit.
Yep.
That was sketchy. Met a cool dude with some tires. So, they're 35 12 515s. They're fuel Anzas, right?
Yep. Fuel names, yeah.
Fake bead locks. But they still look cool. Guy sold us 4 with rims, and then we got a sweet spare.
Just got a patch in it, but who cares for a spare?
That's right. Probably gonna get another matching spare, right? The rim.
Oh, you want to get a matching one?
Yeah, I do.
I was just getting a cheapy steel one.
Oh no, we're getting a matcher.
Alright.
And then we got the old lift kit. We went the highest quality route we could find, so we went with rough country. I mean, I'm not too impressed with this. This is some heavy duty.
These things are huge. And heavy duty, sure seems like it.
Got all 4 brand new struts. Got the coils. All the hardware.
Yep. Springs.
Oh yeah. Sexy.
Nice. Match the bead lock rings. Outstanding.
Lead springs. Yeah.
Oh, boxes in there. Yeah. Well,
Got a lot of work ahead of us.
it's gonna be a long day tomorrow. Long day.
The next morning.
Welcome back, Mint Motorsports. Another day on the XJ project. So today, the plan is to hopefully install our new 4.5-inch rough country lift. And then, if all goes well, hopefully slap our 35s fuel wheels on this thing. So fingers crossed it goes all right. Let me get started on that. Alright, little update video for you. I got all the old suspension components out. Time to start reinstalling the rough country stuff. Thankfully it came apart alright. I had one shock bolt break. Other than that, it's kind of decent. So, we'll see how it goes back together. Alright, another update video. Got the coils in, the extended sway bar links on, the rear control arm bars. I had to take the calipers off in order to get the axle far enough down to get the new springs in. Otherwise it extended the brake lines too much. Now apparently I have to move the track bar over 3/4 of an inch. So I have to drill a new hole for that. So keep your fingers crossed that all goes good, but it's slowly going. Another update for you. I got the shocks on. It's all together. They want you to install these brake line brackets that drop the brake lines. But there's no way I am bending these because they're so rusty. I'm assuming I will probably break one. And it wants you to drop it all the way down there. I don't know if there's something I'm doing wrong or there ain't no way it's going down there. So, a little update.
Holy smokes.
Wow. Hell of a 2 days.
Yeah, so 2 days later, I didn't do any work. Justin did everything. Single-handedly put a 4.5-inch lift kit on a 24-year-old Jeep.
Yeah.
Somehow he crammed 35s underneath that bitch. Minor cutting, right?
Minor cutting.
So let's go over the cutting here.
Didn't even have to cut them.
Did some body work.
It's about 3-4 inches back and 7 inches up, I think.
Yeah, so whoever says you don't have to cut on a 4.5-inch lift for 35s is a liar. We had to cut all four.
All four.
Right?
Back's barely rubbed, but definitely rubbed under suspension.
Yeah, definitely. So then we got our brand new radiator. Aluminum with 3 fans. We got our Dixie horns. You want to give her a go?
Yeah, we go to the people. Ready?
Yeah. Got a new fender on this side. Fortunately, it's from a 94.
Yeah, not quite the exact same.
So these body lines are a little bit different, but that's okay.
Doesn't match up to the front fascia either. Bolting it in.
Yeah, this front fascia.
Yeah, that one. Now behind there, but
yeah, we found these on Facebook Marketplace. What are they? Falcon Wild Peak
MTs.
35, 12, 5, 15.
Yep. 15 by 10 fuel. Nancy.
I mean, she's good to go. Look at them new shocks, struts.
Also, the brake line extensions in the rough country kit do not work unless you have brand new brake lines that you can bend to move.
Oh yeah,
It's not even possible. So probably recommend getting the extended rubber lines before you do it.
Mm-hmm. And then we also did not do the transfer case drop because we were nervous about breaking all 4 bolts and just being absolutely effed. So we're gonna roll with it like this. See what happens, right?
Should be good. I mean, it should be fine. The sway bars.
What else? Didn't we do more? I feel like we did way more to this thing. No?
Left, wheels and tires, horns, radiator. You clean the inside. Stickers.
Yeah, we need to do a sticker. Oh boy.
How's that headlight fell off? So.
Yeah, that's it. We are fucking ready for Mud Jam, eh?
I think we did a whole lot, but
Well, I didn't do a lot, but
Felt like a whole lot.
you did a lot.
I did quite a bit.
How much rust was underneath there, you think?
All of it. I don't think you really could add more rust.